Hey guys, welcome to my another video. And I just created the other map, this gate, and it's very short. And let's check out the chairs. By the way, this map is called Maze Runner map. Hopefully, it's not that short like in the previous one. So there's a spawner here. Okay, so let's check out the rooms for some stops. Okay. Oh, beef. Okay, let's see for some more beef. Maybe there's something more than these things. But there's not. Oh, I should have took the beef. I can cook this. And I see a furnace. By the way, I'm gonna wear my armor. And I feel sorry for my teammates that I took there and took their armor and their beef. Wait, it's nothing. Okay, let's get that cow. Cow, come here. Forget about that cow. So let's start the maze from here. Dun. Okay, you should go to the right. I feel this is the wrong way. I feel like it's the wrong way. Might be the wrong way. No. We're going here to this small path to here, to here. There's something suspicious about this maze. What's that? Oh, of course, the blades. Oh. Whoa. Then what is this? Oh, there. And here is the lab. I can enchant, but I don't have enchantments. Okay, let's go here. Yeah. It's too short again. Oh my god, but it's longer than the other one. So thank you guys for watching this video, and hopefully you have a lot of fun with me in this Minecraft video. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe me.